up? ¿Qué onda, mis paisas? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are safe, staying indoors with the coronavirus. I know it's crazy. Like my hair, because I haven't had a haircut in like 3 months now. Last time I had it, I think it was like in February. But yeah, and it's been growing since. And yeah, my hair's all wavy. But there's really nothing I could do to it anymore. Just let it wave. But yeah, anywho, today we're gonna be making aguachile, and yeah, here's all the shrimp. Here's the ingredients. Okay, what's it called? One more thing, I almost forgot. So the shrimp that I got, this brand right here, it does come frozen. So one thing to like defrost them, what I like to do is I like to put cold water like this in a bowl. Put cold water, have it run, make sure they're all soaking, and then just pretty much just stir it with your hand. And then when there's a lot of water like this, switch it to like hot water, hot boiling water, and just keep on stirring it. And it won't cook it, it will defrost it, take all the ice off. And yeah, that's just one tip, just wanted to let you guys know. Here's one way. Well, instead of leaving it out in the sun for hours and you're like hungry already, this is like the fastest way to like defrost shrimp, is running it through hot water. Cold first and then hot. So yeah, gonna defrost this and then start peeling, and then once I'm done peeling it, then we'll get at it, show you how to make the sauce for it. Yeah. I also forgot to mention that these shrimps are pretty big. See, look at that. That's big shrimp. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut them in half just so they could cook better. And yeah, I mean, you could do this if you want to, but if not, if you want the whole shrimp like that, then just leave it. But me, I prefer to cut them in half just so it's easier when you're eating them. And yeah. Alright guys, we have our shrimp that's peeled now, and we're gonna give it a like quick rinse just to make sure they're nice and clean. We don't want no little stuff in there. But yeah, but right now we're gonna transfer these back into the bowl and start adding the lemon. Okay, so now that you guys have your shrimp all peeled and cut in half, now it's ready to bathe them in some lemon juice. So the reason why we're gonna do this is because lemon juice cooks the shrimp and it just gives a good flavor and all that. Well, mostly just to cook shrimp. And yeah, so see you guys in a bit. And if you guys are wondering where I got this, I got it on Amazon. I literally just searched up vegetable choppers and this one popped up. Well, a lot of them popped up, but this was my favorite one because it comes with the lemon squeezer and then just a bunch of like other cutting tools, and then even like a yolk splitter somewhere in here. But yeah, and then it came with this cool little holder. Alright guys, so we filled it up like probably like a cup and a half around there. And now we're gonna pour the lime juice. I gotta be careful, it's kind of hard with using one hand. Lime juice inside. So now, like, once you have the lime juice, put a little salt. Give it a little more flavor. Make sure you stir it a little. Make sure like the salt mixes in, and then you mix the whole shrimp with the limes just so they could all start cooking and they all get flavor. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and from there we're gonna start making the sauce. So we're gonna let this cook. Be right back. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start making our sauce. So first ingredient, this is probably like a little handful ish, yeah, around there. We're gonna put it in the blender. Pretty much just stuff it in there. And Then what else? Get this last bit. Our blender, and then we're gonna put the chiles and more lemon juice. That's gonna go in here. And then our other ingredients. So here's our little ingredients that we're gonna put in there. First, this is 1 tablespoon of pepper, and we're gonna pour it in there just like so. Just regular ground pepper. And then this is another tablespoon. Can't even talk. There's a tablespoon of garlic. We're gonna put that also in there. And then this is a tablespoon and a half of salt up in there. Yeah, so all that's gonna go in there. Squeeze more lemon. Cut up our chiles. Just put that in there. So we're gonna put probably like a handful in there. So pretty much we're gonna do like a handful and a half of chiles. Oh, they're all slipping everywhere. A handful and a half of chiles. And yeah, so I don't bore you guys. Let me do that. Squeeze the lemons, cut the chile, and then we'll go on from there. But pretty much all of them are they're all squeezed now, and we're gonna pour it into the sauce. That's pretty much it now. There's all the lemon squeeze, and we filled it up to like another cup and a half. So we're gonna pour the lemon juice in here. Yeah, all of it goes in, so it can make the sauce. Or else if you only pour too little, it's just gonna come out too chunky. And when you pour more lemon, then it's gonna come out nice and saucy and not all chunky and dry. Honestly, we might need to pour more lemon, but who knows? We'll see right now. Let's just try it first, and then. So let's get this little chunky bits that didn't get. Woo, it smells strong. It's getting me in my throat. Damn, chiles are spicy, I guess, today. See how it's kind of like little chunky? Damn, it's strong. We're gonna pour a little bit more lemon, so let's squeeze a little more and we'll be right back again. Alright, so I squeezed more lemon juice, and so pretty much I think altogether for the sauce, it's like probably like 11 lemons that I used. So it's quite a bit of lemon, so make sure you get a lot. Alright, that should be it right there. Let's have a little taste, shall we? No, it smells good. Look at shit. Woo! Some good stuff. It's good, just a little spicy. It'll get you in the purpose for sure. God damn. Alright, so we have our sauce all ready to go, ready to pour in. Show them the shrimp, brother. So yeah, there's the shrimp. It's cooked a little. There's still some that are kind of raw, but I mean, I like it like that. I like the raw kind of taste. That's just me. I'm a big seafood fan, so yeah. So let's pour this in and get that sucker in there. And yeah, let's mix it a little. Give it a cool mix. And right after this, once we're done pouring this, we're gonna start cutting our onion and then our cucumber. which I already have. Cucumbers already peeled it earlier. And then here's the onion. You could, other people, they just literally, they cut it like in shreds. But since I have this, I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna use this. This is my first time using this. I literally just got it in this morning. I've been waiting all week for this. But yeah, but it works pretty good. Look at that. Look at the onion. Cuts it all in like little cubes. But yeah, do that again. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Look how quick that was. We hungry. There. Oh, yeah, it worked pretty good. Not bad, not bad. I mean, a little squarish, but yeah. Yeah. It's actually not that bad. It was gonna come out like how I was gonna cut it, so it's good like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Right there, here's all our cucumber, our onion, all of it's gonna go in there. So you get it. I think I'm gonna add another cucumber. Put some more lemons in there. Alright guys, so it's ready. And pretty much you eat this with tostadas, chips. Yeah, well, I mean those two. But yeah, so let's give it a quick little taste test. See how it came out with the tostada. Dude, that's so good. Alright, so I loved how it came out. Spicy, lemony, everything's perfect on it. So, hope you guys like this video. Try it out. Comment down below. Let me know how your guys' came out. If it came out spicy. And if you want some, let me know. I'll go to your door right now and I'll come with the whole bowl. So, hope you guys like the video. Like, share, subscribe. You already know, nothing major. And yeah, welcome to my new channel. New and improved. Nah. But yeah, love you guys. See you later.